Okay, return to code 6 here. Unfortunately, I grabbed a camera that did not have a SD card in it, but basically I replaced the cover with one that does not have a 6. So you can see it right there, 0, 1, 2, no 3, 4, 5, no 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So this way we retain the chamber sensor, which is really important. And of course it's got, I believe, we read it here. So we got chamber temperature shutdown available, chamber sensor failure available, flame sensor error, not even sure what the flame sensor is, gas control or valve failure, temperature sensor failure, that's 5. So that's the water temperature, high temperature shutdown 4, and thermopile voltage low, normal operation. So blue is normal operation. This is off a ream. It's on currently an A.O.Smith. Looks like a signature series. And what I noticed is there's just a lot of lint. See all the lint down here? So I pulled the screen off the bottom and cleaned it. I'm thinking that might have something to do with it. There's fresh air coming in right there. There's a little air coming in right there, and then they've got it vented, as you can see, sort of down here. So it should be drawing fresh air in. So I thought maybe it was a combustible air issue. But been hanging out for about 10 minutes now. See if anything goes down. I'm gonna try and get a look up in there. Very difficult to do. There we go. Hard to really see anything. You can hear it popping and cracking. That's sediment that's on the bottom of the tank. But I don't really see anything crazy going on. I mean, they all look a little bit different. But that's sort of our solution here, because the code 6 came back on a brand new circuit board or a different circuit board. But I checked everything out. I looked for backdrafting. I just kind of like looked at everything to see what was going on, and I think maybe it was choking out, possibly from the lint that's up here. So tried to clean it. There was a lot of lint on it, but I wasn't able to actually get to the flame arrestor. You can just kind of see there's like just lint. Well, that's because the dryer, oops, the dryer's right here. So there's just a lot of lint. So that's probably my next guess if something happens, like a high temperature shutdown or something, is we got to get in there and clean that screen. Anyway, thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. This is a 2016 A.O.Smith that we got a couple of code 6s on. So that's what we're going with now, is a ream circuit board that's got everything on here but code 6. There's no code 6. Well, I guess reams don't have that issue. Anyway, have a great day. Thanks. Alright, I'm not really seeing anything unusual. I hate these ultra low and